Hello everyone, today we will discuss about a letter or an application. Guys, as you know, I have already told you the format of an application and letter. But today we will describe this question with explanation. Okay, with the solution of this question, we will learn the format of a letter. Okay, so let us start. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper enlightening the public regarding health hazard due to pollution. Okay, so here you have a question. You can note this question. After then, guys, as you know, firstly we should write address. Okay, this is address. You can say that this is address. Next, we should write a subject. Okay, on which subject you want to write a letter an application. So here you should write subject. Means again I will say to you that in the very first line or very first few lines of the page in the left side you should write the address, and below the address you should write the subject. Next you should write salutation. Okay, and after then when you have written a salutation you should write the content, and in the last you should write yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Okay, next thing you can find out here. Suppose your next question is so guys we are going to discuss next topic, that is story writing. We are going to discuss story writing. Okay, story writing is a great skill. It has charmed human beings since times immemorial. Okay, so here you can say that what is story writing. So here you will find that story writing is a great skill. It has charmed human beings since times immemorial. A good story keeps up suspension till the last. Okay, so here you can say that a good story has a suspension till the last. So here we will learn few points about story writing. First is plot of the story should be well knit. Means when we are going to create a plot of the story, then the plot of the story should be well knit. Next, interest must be maintained throughout. Characterization should be lifelike. One character should be distinct from other characters. The background should be used to enhance the story. Okay, story the atmosphere should be wedded to each other. Language should be easy and clear. There should be no ambiguity of meaning. Dialogue should be according to the education and background of the characters. So here you will find that dialogues which you want to use in your story should be according to the education and background of the characters. Avoid double meaning dialogues. Means in the story you should not write the double meaning dialogues. Next, a particular mode of the story must be created. A particular mode of the story must be created. Next is message of the story should be clear. Okay. As far as possible, write the story in the past tense. Choose a suitable title. The underlying current of the story should be such as that of the reader to say what next. Means the story when you want to create should be in this way that means should be very interesting, so the readers always interested to find out what will be the next. Okay, so here you have an example with the few points. A specimen storage means here Baghdad merchant to go to Damascus. Okay, Damascus fulfill interest his cargo. So here you will have few points, and with the help of these points you have to complete this story. Okay, so firstly, when you want to write a story, you should write title or heading. The Merchant of the Baghdad. The Merchant of the Baghdad. Okay, so firstly you should write. Okay guys, so here firstly you should write the title or heading. Okay, and then you should start your story with the interest. So guys, your today's homework is that you should try to learn the format of a story and the format of application or letter with the example. Okay.